this, called the Joggos Wall Car Fire Extinguisher. It's a small chemical reaction fire extinguisher. It's supposed to leave no residue if it deploys. It's an automatic deployment. We have pretty standard Dometic gas electric ammonia absorption refrigerator. There's a lot of them that catch fire. I've never had any problems with mine personally on any of the ones that we've owned, but you know, for a small amount of money, it's peace of mind. This one's pretty easy. Got your two little latches on your fridge vent. You may have to pry yours out. You may not. On ours, we have our drain tube that is hooked in from the back side. And now, set that aside. Here's the behind the scenes of your ammonia absorption refrigerator. It's a heating element on the 120 volt side. There's also a little pilot flame. There's an active flame when this thing's running on gas. Therefore, there is, a potential for fire. This, we've already cleaned our mounting surface. And then we are going to firmly press that in. And if that compartment gets hotter than the fuse, it'll deploy. Simple as that. Nice little quickie. We'll put the door back on and go back inside.